Hey everyone, my name is Brittany and today I'm going to show you how to make a Southern chess pie. It is absolutely delicious, so let's get started. I'm going to start this recipe by preparing my pie crust. Once I get it situated in my pan, I'm going to start crimping the edges. I'm going to dock the bottom just to make sure you don't have any air bubbles at the bottom of the pie while we blind bake. I'm going to blind bake this at 375 degrees with some parchment paper and baking beans. I'm going to bake this for about 15 minutes. I have 1 stick of melted butter here in my bowl that I'm going to whisk together to help cool it down a little bit. I'm going to add 1.5 cups of sugar. The sugar is really going to help cool it down before we add our egg yolks. I've got 6 large egg yolks and give that a good mix together. Then 1/2 cup of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of cornmeal, and then 1 tablespoon of flour. And give that a thorough mix together. You want to make sure all of those dry ingredients are nice and incorporated into your filling. My pie crust is out of the oven. I'm going to go ahead and pour my pie filling right into it while it's still hot. I'm going to turn my oven down to 350 degrees and I'm going to bake this for 40 minutes until it has a nice golden brown color. And look at how it turned out. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel. And if you'd like to see more recipes like this, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching.